Hi guys, today we talk about how can you choose how can tag you or on your videos on your TikTok app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click your profile down here, then it's going to take you here to this window. Then all you have to do, just go up, click here in this sign here in app, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you just click here on settings in privacy here, then you come to this list, then you just click here on, so you just click here on privacy here, then you go down, so then you click here on mentions in tags, then you click here on tags, so then it's going to show for you list like this, and here can you choose who can tag you in your videos. So if you want to add everyone or people you follow or follow that you follow back on no one, here can you choose. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.